Why people lose interest when you show too much effort. Have you ever noticed that the more effort you show, the more someone pulls away? You reply fast, they reply slow. You show interest, they show distance. You try harder, and somehow they lose interest. Today, we're breaking down the psychology and human behavior behind why people lose interest when you show too much effort. This video will change how you deal with relationships, friendships, business, and even how you carry yourself. Section 1. What too much effort really means. It's not about kindness. It's not about giving, that it's not about caring. Too much effort equals imbalance. Explain how. You text too much, you over-explain, you over-pursue, you invest before they invest, you show availability with no boundaries. Key point. Humans instinctively pull back from anything that feels forced, unearned, or too easy. Section 2. The psychology of value. Explain how humans value scarcity, effort, and challenge. When you give too much too fast, you break the natural process of value building, that if someone gets everything up front, they stop working for it. Effort must be matched, not donated. Line. People don't value what's available. They value what's earned. Use example. A person who works for something appreciates it more than something handed to them. Section 3. The energy imbalance. Explain the concept of energy exchange. Conversations should flow. Effort should be mutual. Interest should be visible from both sides. When you give 90% effort and they give 10%, something breaks. They feel overwhelmed, you feel drained, the connection feels unnatural. Line. Interest dies when energy is unbalanced. Section 4. Too much effort feels like pressure. When you overtry, the other person senses pressure. Pressure to reply, pressure to match your energy, pressure to show interest they don't yet feel. Most people pull away not because you're wrong, but because your speed is too fast for their comfort. Explanation. Humans avoid what feels like an obligation. Section 5. Mystery is necessary. Discuss how humans need a bit of mystery to stay curious. Too much effort removes mystery. If you're too available, there's nothing left to discover. Attraction is built on curiosity. Line. People don't lose interest because they don't like you. They lose interest because they already know everything. They didn't get the chance to explore you. Section 6. Effort without boundaries looks like desperation. This is a deeper psychological section. Overgiving sends the message. Your approval is more valuable than my time. Humans instinctively lose attraction to people who have no boundaries. You look like you're trying to buy interest. Explain how desperation is not about actions. It's about energy. Line. People aren't turned off by effort. They're turned off by effort that looks like you're scared to lose them. Section 7. You stop being a challenge. Minute 18 to 20. Attraction equals challenge plus reward. If you eliminate the challenge, there's no excitement, no pursuit, no emotional build-up. Use an example from dating. Someone who responds instantly every time, someone who says yes to everything, someone who adapts themselves completely. It removes the dynamic that makes people feel engaged. Section 8. You make them question why you're trying so hard. Humans assume high effort equals low options, low effort, but high self-control equals confidence. Too much effort equals, why are you so eager to impress me? People start thinking, what's wrong with them? Why are they giving so much? What are they trying to get from me? This creates subconscious doubt. Section 9. Loss of respect. Talk about how respect comes from stability, boundaries, and self-worth. When you overtry, you decrease your perceived value. People respect what respects itself. Line. Effort without self-respect becomes begging. This is where interest completely dies. Section 10. How to maintain interest without overtrying. Minute 26 to 29. Give practical tips. Match effort. Don't exceed it. Give space. Respond. Don't react. Show interest, but don't force connection. Keep your own life busy. Use boundaries. Let people earn access to you. Explain how these behaviors naturally create attraction and respect. People don't lose interest because you're not enough. They lose interest when you give too much effort too soon. The truth is simple. When you show too much effort, you remove the balance, the curiosity, the chase, and a natural flow that relationships need. Protect your energy. Match their investment. Let interest grow naturally. If you learned something today, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this.